Welcome to our video where we explore the fascinating world of Ethereum. If you've ever wondered what Ethereum is and how it works, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a decentralized platform that enables developers to build and deploy smart contracts and decentralized applications. It was proposed by Vitalik Buterin in late 2013, and development began in early 2014, with the network going live on July 30th, 2015. How does Ethereum work? Ethereum operates on a blockchain, similar to Bitcoin, but with some distinct differences. While Bitcoin's primary use case is as a digital currency, Ethereum's blockchain is designed to execute smart contracts. These smart contracts are self-executing agreements written in code that automatically execute actions when certain conditions are met. What is Ether? Ether is the native cryptocurrency of the Ethereum platform. It is used to compensate participants who perform computations or validate transactions on the network. Ether can also be used to pay for transaction fees and services on the Ethereum network. In conclusion, Ethereum is a revolutionary platform that has opened up a world of possibilities for developers and users alike. With its focus on smart contracts and decentralized applications, Ethereum continues to drive innovation in the blockchain space. Thank you for watching, and we hope you now have a better understanding of what Ethereum is and how it works. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. Stay tuned for our next video.